This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Bon Voyage ending in Bunnytail. This particular ending offers a unique conclusion where your character embarks on a journey away from the town. It's a positive outcome, providing a sense of freedom and new beginnings. We will cover the simple steps to ensure you achieve this specific result without unnecessary detours, making your playthrough efficient and rewarding. To achieve the Bon Voyage ending, your primary goal is to focus on departure rather than total salvation. This means you should intentionally avoid completing every single side quest offered by the various villagers. Unlike other endings, saving every bunny is not required here. Instead, concentrate on progressing through the main narrative until a clear opportunity to leave presents itself, which is key to this specific outcome. As you advance through the game's core story, you will eventually find yourself at the town's docks. Here, a ship will become available, offering a clear path to leave. This moment is absolutely critical for securing the Bon Voyage ending. Make sure you are ready to make this one important choice, as it directly influences your character's fate and leads to the desired conclusion of your adventure. Once you are at the docks and the ship is present, simply interact with it and select the option to board. This action confirms your desire to leave the town behind. After making this final choice, you will trigger the special Bon Voyage ending cutscene, marking the successful completion of your quest for freedom. Congratulations on achieving this distinct and satisfying conclusion to your Bunnytail adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.